Okay, here we are again. Now, here I'll show you the tower of the residence with high stairs. Here you go. There is this nice room with a huge bathroom, very modern, and a nice little staircase going up. It hasn't been finished yet. As you can see, there is a bedroom up here below the ceiling, below the roof. Okay, hi there. Okay, then, well, the whole complex, as I said, has 9 apartments. Look at this, beautiful. Isn't this stunning? It's just a beautiful area with the reception, the spa, terraces, apartments, also a restaurant, another apartment up there. It's 1,000 square meters large, and more volume is, it's possible to add more volume, more meters onto it, on a part above the olive groves. They have this whole area of olive groves, 700 olive groves, olive trees, up till the wood up there. And over there, there is like a huge terrace where you could perhaps put some little tiny houses or campers or whatever, something. This is a storage area right now, and this is where they wanted or planned to create the restaurant with the kitchen and the restaurant down there, and the sitting room, the restaurant room over there, with the possibility of having terrazza over there, a terrace. And then below that wall, the plan is to put the swimming pool there. Actually, they wanted to put 2 swimming pools, one over there and another one near the spa. Okay, so I'm not able to show you everything just now because it's too large, but you get an impression. It's a perfect combination of modern and very ancient and historic. A very quiet place, perfect for receiving guests, marriages, a resort, yoga classes, or living on your own also. It's however you would like to do it. And of course, there is still a lot of work to be done, but a lot has already been done. So it would be very good for somebody who would like to start an activity here. Okay, if you want more information about this property, go to our website www.lecasedidori.com. Bye-bye.